In an era of unprecedented technological advancements, surveillance drones have emerged as some of the most versatile and sophisticated tools in modern society. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, once relegated to science fiction and military experiments, now hover above our cities and countryside, offering unparalleled capabilities in monitoring, data collection, and security. But how exactly do these airborne marvels work? Understanding their intricate systems and mechanisms reveals a fascinating blend of cutting-edge engineering, artificial intelligence, and human ingenuity that propels them through the skies with purpose and precision. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. At the core of a surveillance drone's function is its flight system, combining lightweight materials, precision motors, and advanced aerodynamics. Most drones rely on multi-rotor designs, with 4 or more propellers working in tandem to generate lift and stability. Each propeller is controlled individually by electronic speed controllers, ESCs, ensuring precise maneuverability and balance. These systems, supported by gyroscopes and accelerometers, allow drones to maintain stability in mid-air and adapt to external forces like wind. Constructed from lightweight but durable materials like carbon fiber, drones are built to be both strong and agile, enabling them to perform tasks that manned aircraft simply cannot manage in confined or complex environments. Navigation lies at the heart of drone operation, with GPS systems providing accurate positional data and enabling pre-programmed flight paths. Yet drones are far more advanced than simple GPS receivers. Equipped with ultrasonic sensors, LiDAR, and infrared cameras, they can detect and avoid obstacles autonomously, making them reliable in environments where precision is critical. Many drones also incorporate inertial measurement units, IMUs, to maintain orientation and balance, even when GPS signals are weak. Together, these systems allow surveillance drones to function with remarkable autonomy and accuracy, even in challenging conditions. The payload is where the true power of surveillance drones becomes evident. High-resolution cameras, often mounted on gimbals for stability, provide sharp, detailed visuals that are critical for monitoring and reconnaissance. Some drones are equipped with thermal imaging cameras, capable of detecting heat signatures for nighttime operations or search and rescue missions. Advanced drones may carry hyperspectral imaging sensors, which capture data across multiple wavelengths to reveal details invisible to the naked eye. These tools, combined with the drone's maneuverability, allow for an unprecedented level of surveillance across diverse industries, from law enforcement to environmental research. Equally critical is the ability to process and transmit data. Surveillance drones are equipped with onboard processors that can handle real-time video and image analysis. Many employ artificial intelligence, AI, to identify objects, track movements, and flag anomalies automatically, reducing the need for constant human monitoring. This data is transmitted via secure communication channels, such as radio frequencies or satellite links, to ground control stations. Live feeds ensure decision-makers have access to actionable information, enabling rapid responses in dynamic situations. Powering these drones is no small feat. Most rely on lightweight lithium polymer, LiPo batteries, which offer a high energy density to balance endurance with payload demands. However, battery life remains a limiting factor for many drones, particularly when operating heavy equipment like high-powered cameras. To overcome this, some drones utilize hybrid systems, combining batteries with fuel cells or internal combustion engines for extended flight times. Researchers are also exploring alternative energy sources, such as solar panels and wireless charging, to enhance operational longevity. Software is another critical aspect of how surveillance drones operate. Modern drones are governed by advanced algorithms that enable everything from autonomous navigation to real-time object tracking. Operators control drones through intuitive interfaces, which allow for adjustments in flight paths, camera angles, and mission parameters. Geofencing technology, which restricts drones from entering no-fly zones, ensures compliance with airspace regulations. Combined with AI capabilities such as facial recognition and motion detection, drones can perform complex surveillance tasks with minimal human intervention. One of the most impressive features of surveillance drones is their modular design. Operators can customize drones with interchangeable payloads, tailoring them to specific missions. For example, a drone used in search and rescue might carry a loudspeaker and thermal camera, while one monitoring industrial equipment might use ultrasonic sensors. This adaptability ensures that drones can evolve alongside emerging needs and technologies, making them highly versatile tools for modern challenges. While surveillance drones represent a marvel of engineering and innovation, their operation is not without challenges. Limited battery life, adverse weather conditions, and communication interference can affect their performance. Furthermore, ethical concerns surrounding privacy and the potential for misuse pose significant societal questions. Balancing the benefits of drones with the need to safeguard personal freedoms will shape their future role in our skies. In essence, surveillance drones are a testament to human ingenuity, a seamless blend of hardware, software, and creativity that allows us to observe the world from perspectives once thought impossible. From their propulsion systems to their cutting-edge AI capabilities, every component is meticulously designed to perform with precision and reliability. As they continue to evolve, drones are poised to unlock new possibilities in security, research, and exploration, offering a glimpse into a future where the skies are not just a domain of flight, but a frontier of endless potential. The question remains, how will we choose to wield this extraordinary power, and what boundaries will we set for these ever-watchful eyes in the sky? Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.